Hey y'all, I hope you're having a great day. We have had a wonderful day. We've been trying to do this video all day long, but we've had a very busy day, been outside as you can tell. But I wanted to go ahead and do this and just get it done so that you could have it for your tailgating weekend, because I think you're going to love it and it's something a little different. And Nico was going to help me. He's outside playing. He's got a new puppy. So hopefully he'll come in though and show you his puppy. So what this is a Cajun lemon aioli. And honestly, all aioli is a flavored mayonnaise. So you can make the mayonnaise yourself. It's not that hard, but we're not. We're going to just use your favorite mayonnaise. A lot of people in the South like Duke's. Some people are big Miracle Whip fans. So just whatever really you like. And so that was, let's see, third of a cup of mayonnaise, and then you use 2 tablespoons of cream. And anytime you're making something with mayonnaise, if you put a little bit of cream in it, it kind of loosens it up and makes it easier to dip or whatever you're using it for. Honestly, I saw this and I thought, how fun would this be for just something just a little bit different? And, you know, we all use cocktail sauce and remoulade sauce. We're going to make some remoulade sauce, but my hair's still in my eyes today. I was thinking with my sunglasses it would stay back. Okay, so here we've blended those two together, and then we're going to zest about a half a lemon. Anytime you're using lemon juice or lime juice, if you zest it first, make sure you zest it before you cut into it. It just makes the flavor be magnified with that citrus, and it's so yummy. And so you can see just that little bit of zesting that I did, how much lemon peel we got in it. Okay, see if I can make that stick. All right, so then we're going to cut our lemon, and we're going to squeeze, no seeds that I see, we're going to squeeze. This is a fourth of a lemon, but it is a hefty lemon. So let's squeeze that. 1 seed, I'll get it out. Oh, no, it wasn't. Y'all hear them play? They're playing, having so much fun. So then we'll mix that together. Then we're going to add just a touch of horseradish because we like it to have that little bit of heat. And I think this is going to add it just perfectly. So when I say a touch, I mean a touch here. I will measure it out for us. I might have to just do this. Okay. And that is about, I would say, a third of a teaspoon. Add that up, mix that up. Then we're going to add just a touch of our Dana Dash. Now, someone on YouTube that had just started following me said, Dana Dash with a big old question mark by it. So this is my Cajun seasoning, and goodness, we are praying for all the people in Louisiana today. So many places in Louisiana carry my Dana Dash, and I'm so grateful. I live in Nashville now. We love Nashville, but Louisiana is where we both grew up, and so of course it's very tender to our hearts. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to taste it. Let me taste it. Y'all, it is delicious. I mean, seriously good. So this is, I guarantee you that nobody at your tailgate is making this. So this is Cajun lemon aioli. And the ingredients are a third of a cup of mayonnaise. And of course you can, you know, double it, triple it. I just made a little bit because I didn't want to waste. We're not going tailgating this weekend. I didn't want to waste it. Third of a cup of mayonnaise, 2 cups of cream, a little bit of horseradish, I would say about a third of a teaspoon, and Dana Dash, lemon, zest, and juice. And this was just a fourth of this. This is the size lemon I used, just a fourth. So we're going to put that right here, and then we're going to make a quick remoulade. Now I bet you know how to make remoulade. But I just thought, you know what, you can buy a really good remoulade sauce too. So this is about a half a cup of mayonnaise. But if you want to make it at home, of course, that's wonderful. And I would say 3 tablespoons of Creole mustard. Now, Creole mustard is not that hard to find anymore, so try and find it if you can. And then we're going to add something that is totally optional, and this is anchovies. Now, we love them, but if you don't worry about it. Just don't add them. They provide a lot of salt, so you might want, if you don't add anchovies, you might want to add just a touch of salt at the end. Stir that up, and what I did was I just chopped them as finely as I could possibly chop them. It smells so good, y'all. And then we're going to add about a teaspoon of capers. Running out of the teaspoons here. Capers are really good too. And honestly, if you don't like anchovies and you like capers, just add your capers. So, because it makes it super yummy. And then we'll do the back of the spoon again for our horseradish. I think in this one you probably need to add a good tablespoon. And I tell you what, I'm half in the recipe, so in my comments I'll put the recipe for you, because you know, you might have your favorite one, but if you don't, then this one is really yummy too. Some Worcestershire sauce. Now, I don't know if y'all typically use that in your remoulade, but it makes it really yummy. We're going to squeeze some lemon, and we're going to add our dash. And honestly, we're going to add at least a tablespoon of it, because it just flavors it so well. I'm trying not to be so messy, but anyway. Okay. So here's our remoulade sauce, y'all, and it is beautiful. Just beautiful. Let me show you. Isn't that pretty? Oh gosh, I think it's so pretty. And you know what? It smells really good too. So we're going to put this in our bowl. These are my mama's little dessert cups, and honestly, I love them because they were hers. And I always use them for a shrimp cocktail. Now, these are my shrimp. Let me clean up a little bit here. You probably have a lot more shrimp, and that's fine. But I would put it on a bed of some kind of green, and then put your 3 sauces right here with it. So here's our cocktail sauce. If you need a recipe for cocktail sauce, just ask me in the comments and I'll be sure and give it to you. Now, then you want to, for sure, slice some lemon and put it around, because there's nothing that brings, this lemon is so nice and juicy. There's nothing that brings out the flavor of any kind of seafood better than a little squeeze of lemon. So, there we go. There's our lemon. I might just sprinkle a little bit of Dana Dash over the top. And all you do is just have your simply boiled shrimp. And that's all you need for this, because the sauces are so flavorful. So here we are, our plate of boiled shrimp with 3 sauces: Cajun lemon aioli, cocktail sauce, and remoulade sauce. And the reason I put some crackers on the plate as well is because I love crackers with this sauce. And there may be someone in your guests or at your tailgate that aren't a big fan of shrimp. They might love this sauce with just some plain crackers. So you can serve it any way you want to, but this is the way we serve it. Be sure and keep your shrimp cold until you serve it. You can keep it in your, so many people have a Yeti now, but anyway, just something really cold and nice and cold, and it's still pretty warm, I think, probably in most areas in the South. So this is a nice and refreshing dish for your tailgate. So y'all go to my website, buy my Dana Dash, and have a great time. We love you, people in Louisiana, Texas, and Mississippi, praying for you. Bon appetit.